Start for the question number 3. The sum of the age of Priyanka and Deepika is 34 years. Priyanka is elder to Deepika by 6 years. Then find their age, to date age. It means like find out the present age of the Deepika and Priyanka. Let's see how to solve. So first one, let the present age of Priyanka x and Deepika present age of y years. According to the first condition, the sum of the age of Priyanka Deepika is 34 years. So x plus y is equal to 34, condition 1. And now according to the condition 2, Priyanka is elder to the Deepika by 6 years. Priyanka is equal to x is elder than 6 plus elder is there plus Deepika plus y. X then minus y is equal to 6. This for the condition 2. Adding equation 1 from equation 2 we get, so get cancelled, 2x is equal to 40. So x is equal to 20. Then substituting x is equal to 20 in equation 2 we get, now x minus y is equal to 6. 20 minus y is equal to 6, then minus y. 6 minus 20 is equal to minus 4. Minus get cancelled and y is equal to 14. So the present age of Priyanka is equal to 20 years and the present age of the Deepika is equal to 14 years. जय हिंद दोस्तों.